Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. This simple step helps prevent accidental movement. Next, open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. You'll find the mounting bolts easily visible once the hood is up. Now, let's focus on the mounting bolts. You'll see two 10mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. These are crucial for holding the unit in place. Using your ratchet and 10mm socket, carefully loosen and remove both of these bolts. It's a good idea to place them in a small container or a magnetic tray so they don't roll away. This step is straightforward and prepares the headlight for removal. With the bolts removed, the headlight assembly is almost free. Gently pull the entire unit straight forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a firm but steady pull should release it. Remember, the wiring harness is still connected at the back, so don't pull too far. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the housing or the vehicle's body. This careful approach ensures a smooth removal. Finally, it's time to disconnect the electrical. On the back of the headlight assembly, you'll find the main electrical connector. There's usually a small tab you need to press or squeeze to release it. Once the tab is depressed, gently pull the connector straight off. With the wiring disconnected, your headlight assembly is now completely free and ready to be replaced or serviced. You've successfully removed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.